Hello, my name is Abhijit. In this particular video, I'll show you how to download DocEngage and how to check in, fill the physio assessment form, and how to check out. So first step is you need to go to Google Play Store. Just click on the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. If you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store. On the top search bar here, you just need to type DocEngage Patient Chat. Now please download this particular app, which is in green color icon. So here you have the option called install. You'll just click on install. It will just take few seconds to install this particular app. After the installation, you just need to click on open. For the first time, it will give you the introduction about the app. You just need to click on the skip on the top right side. Now you have the login ID and the password. So the login ID would be your mobile number, and password will also be your mobile number. And then just click on login. Now here you have three options: schedule, tasks, and patients. You need to click on schedule. Once you click on schedule, here you'll be able to see the list of appointments for today. If it's not coming, you just need to pull it down like this so that it just refreshes like this. Okay, I'm already getting the appointment here. Now here you have an option called start chat. That is nothing but check-in. This is the patient name. You can give a call from this call icon, and here you can see the status as scheduled. So first step for you would be to click on start chat, that is check-in. So please click on start chat. So the check-in has been completed. Now the second step is to fill the form, that is the physio assessment form. You need to click on this top right side three horizontal lines. Here you have the assessment. Just switch on the assessment. Now you'll just go back on the top left side. Now you will be able to see the list of all forms here. Now in this you have the form called PAF, that is the physio assessment form. Just click on PAF. You'll be able to get the list of this particular form. You just need to fill the form. Say initial assessment, pain, you just need to enter all the details. Then exercise performed during the session, say like movement and mobility. Like this you need to enter all the exercises if anything has been done, and then any complaints, no, health education on breathing exercise, something like this. This is just a sample form which I'm filling in, and then you'll just click on done on the top right side. Once this has been done, the form has been filled. You can just click on checkout now. The third step is to check out. Just click on checkout. That's it. It will again ask you, do you want to check out? Just click on checkout. That's it. You can see the status here now as completed. Earlier it was scheduled. Now it is completed. Now here you have this patient name. You can just click on the patient name. You get the complete details. Here you can see the form which I have filled is visible. This is to just cross verify. Okay. So this is the form which I have filled in. I have gotten. So this is how you do the check-in, fill the form, and check out. Okay. And whatever patients you have completed, you can see it in the below patients here. you will be able to see the list of all patients which you have completed. You can always search the patient. Okay. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact me on 912 132 6565. Thank you. Have a great day.